Hey guys, we will solve question number 24. They are saying pair of consecutive even positive integers. So you have to take even number. So suppose the first even number is 2x. So what will be the second number? So second number will be 2x plus 2 because we have to take both even and consecutive even numbers. If you take 2, 4 or you take 4, 6, the difference between two consecutive number is always 2. So that's why I am taking 2x and 2x plus 2. Okay. So here they are saying both of which are larger than 5. So first condition is 2x should be more than 5. Correct. This is first condition. So that means x should be more than 5 by 2. So x should be more than 2.5. This we need to take care. Okay. Second condition is both numbers, yani ki the second number should also be more than 5. So what is the condition? 2x is more than 3. Okay, because 2 will go there. So x should be more than 3 by 2, which is x is more than 1.5. This is the condition. And third condition is the sum is less than 23. So sum is 2x plus 2x plus 2 is less than 23. So which is 4x plus 2 less than 23. So it will be 4x less than 21 because 2 is going there. Correct? So x is less than, if I divide by 4 both side, so what I will get? If I divide both side, 4 and 4 cancel. So x is less than 5 point something like this. Correct? This is the third condition. So if we want to see that all conditions should be true, to select x. Okay, let me write on a number line. So suppose this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, so on. So this is saying x should be more than 2.5. So more than 2.5 is somewhere here. Correct? It should be more than 1.5. 1.5 is somewhere here. Correct? Somewhere here. So it should be more than 1.5. Now they are saying, but x should be less than 5.25, which is somewhere here. Correct? So less than this. So x should be here. Understood? So the common value which is lying, which will satisfy all conditions is this. Correct? See, x is more than 2.5. Let me write. This is 2.5. Less than 1.5. It was, sorry, more than 1.5. This was 1.5. And this is x is less than 5.25. So less than is here. This is 5.25 I was taking. Less than is here. So what are the numbers which will satisfy this also, and this also? The common area, the common possible is this, which will satisfy all. Yani ki the condition is x should be more than 2.5 but less than 5.25. Correct? Perfect. So what are the possible values of x? But it should be integer also. Integer. Correct? So x, because we need consecutive even positive integers. So we should take x integers. So let me take 3, maybe 4, maybe 5. We cannot take 6. Why? Because 6 will be more than 5.25. We cannot take 2 because 2 will be less than 2.5. The only possible numbers which are bigger than 2.5 but less than 5.25 are 3, 4, 5. So these are possible numbers. Correct? So what will be my two integers? If x is 3, so what will be the integers? If x is 3. Okay, the possible answers kya honge? If x is 3, so numbers will be 6 and 8. Correct? 3 2s are 6 and next integer is 8. Next even integer. Okay. Next dekhiye, let me write down. If x is 4, then what will be possible answer? If, write down, if x is 4, so possible numbers will be 4 2s are 8, 10. Correct? These two numbers. Next, if x is 8, okay, so what are the possible numbers? I'm sorry, x is 5. The next number x is 5. So possible 5 2s are 10. So possible pairs will be 10, 12. These are even integers. These are the possible answers. 6, 8, 8, 10 or 10, 12. These are the possible answers. Let's see next question. Here is question 25. Very simple question. Just read it. The longest side of triangle is 3 times the shortest side. And third side is 2 centimeters shorter than the longest side. So let me draw a triangle. Okay, this is the triangle. So they are saying the longest side is 3 times the shortest. So suppose shortest side is x centimeter. The longest will be 3x. This is suppose the longest side 3x. And the third side, they are saying the third side is 2 centimeters shorter than the longest. So it will be 3x minus 2. Longest is 3x. Usse 2 centimeters shortest. So it will be 3x minus 2. So this is my triangle ABC. So they are saying the parameter is at least 61. देखिए, what is the meaning of at least? At least whenever you see means more than 61 is accepted. If they say at least, if somewhere is written at most means you have to take less than 61. Always remember least matlab more than, and at most matlab less than or equal to is accepted. So this is something we should understand, that at least means more than is also accepted. At most means less than is accepted. So this is the rule that we should know. Okay. So now they are saying the parameter should be at least 61. So what should be parameter? X plus 3x, है ना? This plus this plus this. So plus 3x minus 2 should be more than 61 at least, correct? So this plus this plus this is how much? 7x, and minus 2 is more than 61. If 2 will go other side, so it will become 7 and is less than 63. If we divide by 7 both side, what we will get? 7 and 7 cancel. This is 9s are. So I am getting x is more than equal to 9. So my condition is that the minimum length of the side should be 9. Minimum. Okay. So this is my answer. See the next question. So here is question number 26. So let's read carefully. A man wants to cut 3 lengths from a single piece of board of length 91. The total length is 91. The total length which is given is 91. Correct? So they are giving the second is 3 centimeter longer than the shortest. So suppose the shortest side is x centimeter. I am making into 3 pieces. First piece, second piece and third piece. This board is cut into 3 pieces. Correct? So first is x centimeter. So second one they are saying is 3 centimeter longer than the shortest one. So it will be x plus 3. This is my second piece. And third piece they are saying twice as long as the shortest. So it is twice of x. Correct? So this one was my shortest side. First one. Second is x plus 3 and third is 2x. Correct? The condition is the sum of all 3 should be at least 91. Correct? It should not be at least 91. It should not be more than 91. So let me write x plus x plus 3 plus 2x should be less than 91. Okay. So what is x plus 2x? This plus this plus this is 4x plus 3 less than 91. So 3 will go there. So 4x is less than 91 minus 3. So 4x is less than 88. Perfect. Can I divide by 4 both sides? So I will get here x is less than, this will cut by 2 and 2. It is less than 22. So this is equal to also. So this is my first condition on x. Next they are saying what are the possible length of shortest board if third piece is at least 5 centimeter longer than second. The third piece, which is this. So they are saying 2x is at least longer than, it is more than, third piece is more than 5 centimeter than the second piece. So second is x plus 3. How much longer? 5 centimeter extra. This is my extra. Okay? So this should be the condition. 2x, the third piece, is more than x plus 2, which is second piece, plus 5. Correct? So it is 2x is more than, equal to, they are saying, is to be at least 5 centimeter longer. So it will be more than equal to. Equal sign will also be there. It is x plus 5 plus 3 is 8. X will come here. So 2x minus x is more than equal to 8. Correct? So it is x is more than equal to 8. So this is what I am getting second condition. If you observe carefully, we got these two conditions. First is this and second is this. So that means the value of x should be selected in such a way that x should be more than equal to 8 but less than 22. This is my final answer. We will start examples. This is example 9. This is very simple and interesting question. This is like double inequalities. See here, minus 8 is less than equal to 5x, minus 3 less than 7. So we need to find the value of x. Okay, so try to focus on x. Everything else we will get rid of. See, minus 3. I don't want minus 3. I want only x. We don't want 5. So first of all, try to get rid of this 3. So what we can do? We can do add 3 in all. So every side plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. Here plus 3. Okay. Here plus 3 and here plus 3. We will add everywhere plus 3. So let me write down plus 3 greater than 5x minus 3 plus 3 less than 7 plus 3. So this I will get rid of. And minus 8 plus 3 is nothing but minus 5 less than 5x less than 10. Correct? 7 plus 3 is 10. Now what we will get? Fine. Now we can see 5. Can I divide by 5 everywhere? Okay. So this will cancel by minus 1. This will cancel and this is 2. So x is more than minus 1 but less than 2. So this will be my answer. Let's do next question. So here example number 10 from miscellaneous. Okay. So this is two inequalities which we are supposed to solve. To solve it, we need to focus on x. Rest of it we want to get rid of, right? 2 we don't want, 5 we don't want, minus 3 we don't want. Okay? So we don't need 2, we don't need 5, we don't need minus 3, we just want x. So one by one we will get rid of everything. First of all, we will get rid of 2. So how to get rid of 2? Can we multiply by 2 in all? Everywhere multiply by 2. Okay? So I am showing you in this step only. Multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. So what we will get here? Minus 10 more than equal to. If this is multiplied by 2, see it carefully. This and this cancels. Okay. So we will get 5 minus 3x less than equal to 16. Correct? Now, next we don't want this 5. Okay. This 5 we don't want. This is plus 5. So can we do subtract 5 in all? Means here also, and here also. Everywhere subtract 5. So minus 10 minus 5 less than equal to minus 5 minus 3x minus 5 less than equal to 16 minus 5. So I am getting minus 15. Correct? Minus 10 minus 5 is minus 15. And here plus 5. This is plus 5 minus 5. This and this will cancel. See carefully. So this is minus 3x less than 11. 16 minus 5 is 11. Okay. Now we don't want minus 3. So how to get rid of it? We have to divide by minus 3 in each term. Okay. So always remember in inequalities, when we divide by a negative number, dividing with positive number is not a problem. Whenever we divide by a negative number, inequality changes. So write down, this is a rule. Inequalities changes. Correct? So this is the main rule. Whenever we divide or multiply by a negative number, inequality changes. So this is what I will do here. So let me write minus 15 by minus 3 I am trying to do here. Minus 3x by minus 3 and 11 by minus 3. So I am dividing each term by minus 3. So what will happen to inequality? This is less than, so it will become more than, and this is less than will become more than. Understood? Now this minus and minus plus, so this is 5. So 5 is more than equal to, this will cancel, x is more than minus 11 by 3. So this should be my answer. Is it clear? Let's do next example. This is example 11. So we are supposed to solve two inequalities. Okay. So let's solve 3x minus 7 less than 5 plus x first. Correct. So what we will get, and next we will solve here 11 minus 5x less than 1. And we will see the common solution. Here, let me collect x one side to this here and this here. To 3x minus x less than 5 plus 7. Correct? This is 2x less than, what is 7 plus 5 is 12. Correct? So if I divide by 2 both sides, so what I will get? This is 6. X is less than 6. Correct? Now let's do this here. Let me keep 5x here itself, 11 that side. So minus 5x is less than 1 minus 11. So minus 5x is less than minus 10. Correct? Now I want to get rid of minus 5. So what should I do? I should divide by minus 5 both sides. And remember, whenever we divide by a negative number, it's a rule. Inequality changes. So minus 5x by minus 5 I am doing. Minus 10 by minus 5 I am doing. So what will happen to this inequality? Less than. It will become greater than equal to. Is it clear? And this is cancelling and this is 2. So x is greater than equal to 2. So I got two possibilities. Out of this, what we should take is the common answer. The common answer we will achieve from number line, minus infinity to plus infinity. Say this is 0. Okay. So first solution is saying, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here is 6 and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First solution is saying it is less than 6. Less than 6 means 6 hollow, but less than 6 is this side. This is saying more than equal to 2. More than equal to 2 means 2 is included, but more than. Okay. What is the common numbers which is satisfying this and this both, top and bottom both? So I think the only possible region which is satisfying both is this. 2, 3 up to this, up to 6. Yani ki x is more than equal to 2 but less than 6. This is my answer. So this is the common region which is my answer. But 6 is not included but 2 is included. So 2 will be dark but 6 will be hollow. Fine. Next question. So here is example 12. They are saying, in an experiment, hydrochloric acid should be kept between 30 and 35 degrees Celsius. So what is the range of Fahrenheit temperature? Okay. And the relationship of degree centigrade with Fahrenheit is given this. C is equal to 5 by 9 F minus 32. Okay, so the range of temperature is more than 30 but less than 35. So what we can do? We can write C value, which is 5 by 9 F minus 32 less than 35. Correct? To solve it, we want F only. Okay, we don't want 9, don't want 5, don't want 32. How to get rid of it? Can I multiply by 9 in all side? Like this. See, 9 I don't want. So can I multiply by 9 here? Into 9 here. Into 9 here. In all sides. Okay? Because we don't want 9. We don't want 5. We don't want 32. We're just looking for F. So gradually we will get rid of everything. Okay? So first of all, I multiplied by 9 to get rid of it. Okay? So this 9 will cancel. So what I am getting here is 270 is less than 5 into F minus 32 less than 35 into 9. Okay? Now I don't want 5. What should I do? Can I divide by 5 everywhere? Okay? Divide by 5 this term, and this term. See, since I am dividing by plus 5, there is no need to change inequality. Remember, okay? So divide by 5, there is no need to change inequality. So let me solve it. This 5 will cancel. This will cancel by 7. And this will cancel by 54. You can try to solve it. So what I am getting here is, let me write down. I am getting is 54 is more than F minus 32 less than 63. Okay. Now what do we need? We don't want 32. So what should we do to get rid of 32? Can we add 32 everywhere? Yes. So let me do plus 32, plus 32 and plus 32. See, whatever we do, we have to do in all three sides. This side and this side. We have to do in all three to get the correct result. Okay. So this plus this is nothing but 86 is F. See, plus 32 and minus 32 will cancel. Less than, what is this plus this? Is 95. So this is my answer. So in Fahrenheit, the temperature should be kept in the room more than 86 but less than 95. If we want in degree centigrade, 30 to 35. This is my answer. Let's see next question. This is example 13. So they are saying a manufacturer has 600 liters of 12% solution. Okay. So manufacturer has 600 liters. So suppose he has 600 liters of 12% of solution. So they are saying how many liters of 30% of acid solution he should mix. So he has one more solution which is 30%. Suppose he has X liters which he should mix with these two. Okay, suppose he has a vessel. So he has 600 liters of first solution which is actually 12%. Means out of 100 liters, 12 liter is acid. And he is adding X liter of second solution which has 30% of acid. Okay. So if he is mixing these two, the percentage of acid is more than 15% but less than 18%. Total percentage of the acid. Okay. So if there is 30% is acid from X and 12% of acid from 600, the total acid will be how much? Total acid will be 30% of X and 12% of the other one, 600 liters. Okay, so this is the total acid, but the percentage they are saying should be more than 15% but less than 18%. The total percentage of solution will be how much? Or of acid, it will be, total percentage of acid will be 15% of x plus 600, correct? Okay, and if they want 18%, so it will be 18% of total solution, total liters, which is x plus 600, correct? So they want that this total acid should be, this total acid which is available in this mixture should be more than this but less than this, correct? Understood? So 30% of x, this much is the amount of acid due to the x liters, and 12% is due to 600 liters. The total acid is this much. So this 30 by 100x plus 12 by 100 into 600 should be more than 15% of total solution, which is this, but less than 18%, which is x plus 600. That is what they are saying. Okay, now we are supposed to solve this equation. So how will we solve it? Let's see. Can I remove 100 everywhere? If you see here, here is 100, here is 100, 100 and 100, correct? Everywhere is 100, 100. So we can easily remove this 100 because it is everywhere. Okay, so let me write down, it is 15, 600 plus x is more than 30x plus 12 into 600 less than 18 into x plus 600. Let's simplify it. So here we will multiply this with this, this with this, and here this with this and this with this. Let me multiply. So this is 9000 plus 15x less than 30x plus 7200 less than 18x plus, what is this into this, is 10800. This is what we are getting, correct? Now let's see what can we do. We don't want this and we don't want 30 because the only value we need is x. But if you see in these equations, x is here also, here also, here also. So we will, whenever there is x in all three, we have to make two inequalities and solve. So when we have everywhere x and x, we have to convert it into two inequalities. Okay. In one inequality, we will cover these two, and one inequality we will take these two. Listen carefully. First these two and then these two. So let me write down 9000 plus 15x less than 30x plus 7200. Okay. In order to solve it, because I want to keep x as a positive only, so I can take this here and this here, correct? So 9000 minus 7200 less than 30x minus 15x. So what is this minus this? Is 1800 less than is 15x. Okay. Here we can divide by 15 both sides because we don't want 15. So this will cancel. And what is this? Divide by 15. This will become 120. Okay. So here I am getting 120 less than x. This is the first solution of the equation. Now if I combine these two, this and this, so what we will get? Let me write down 30x plus 7200 less than 18x plus 10800. Okay. This here and this here, so it will be 30x minus 18x less than 10800 minus 7200. Okay. So what is 30 minus 18? Is nothing but 12x is less than this minus this, you can try, is 3600. Okay. Now we can divide by 12 both sides. Okay, so this and this cancel, and this is 300. So I am getting x is less than 300. Okay. So these are the two solutions that I am getting. If you see carefully, here you see x is more than 120, but here x is less than 300. So x is more than 120 but less than 300. So these many liters we should mix in 600 liters to make a solution which is 15%, more than 15% but less than 18%. So either we should mix like 120 or 140 or 160 but less than 300 liters of the second solution. Okay, which is 30% of the percentage of acid. Okay, so what we are doing here is basically we are mixing 600 liters of first solution and x liters of second solution, so that the entire concentration is more than 15% but less than 18%. So that x liters should be more than 120 liters but less than 300 liters to make sure that this condition is satisfied. See you in next video. Bye everyone.